His Excellency, the President and Commander-in-Chief of the Defense Forces of the Republic of Kenya, Honorable Dr. William Samoei Ruto, His Excellency, the Prime Cabinet Secretary, Honorable Musalia Mudavadi, Honorable Ezekiel Machogu, Cabinet Secretary for Education, all protocols observed. Your Excellency, sir, I would like to thank you for giving me the opportunity to serve as the first Chancellor of this new university, sir. I'm humbled that you have given me a responsibility to provide the service for this country on your behalf, which I humbly accept. Sir, you have bestowed on me that trust to perform the function of a Chancellor just when my service as Chancellor of University of Science and Technology has just ended, which I served 2013 to 2023, and assure you I'll bring the insights that I've learned from being a Chancellor to this new university. Your Excellency, while we have enjoyed the benefits of the conventional mode of learning for many decades, new global challenges justifies the putting up of this open university to manage the constraints of the mode of world education. Four constraints are eminent. First, during the calamities such as COVID-19, this mode of education is not sustainable as we experienced. Second, with increasing demand for higher education, and particularly where half of the population is below the age of 15, this mode of education is also not sustainable. Third, advancement in information and technology is providing more efficient ways of teaching and learning. And fourth, Kenya needs to join the League of Nations that are embracing and taking the advantage of the benefits and impact of technology advancement. Your Excellency, it's an honor and a privilege to serve your vision in furthering our country's dream of creating a globally competitive workforce by providing affordable, accessible education. Technology and advancement has continued to support innovation and disruptions in the delivery of services to society, bringing efficiency and productivity. Kenya will be leapfrogging this education delivery by optimizing on technology to support open learning. I assure you and the people of Kenya of my dedication to serve my country in this role and leverage the learnings from my expansive equity education program